Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Erzu. I was poking around the Erzu collection and came across this pretty interesting find. It's 1938 Soviet rubles, and these rubles came with a note that we'll get to in a second. But let's take a look at these 3 rubles. So we have our 1 ruble note here with a nice picture of a Soviet laborer there holding some sort of rivet gun, I think. Then we have our 3 ruble note with a nice picture of 2 Red Army soldiers, and then we have our 5 ruble note here with a picture of a Soviet Air Force pilot. Very, very cool. But what's even cooler is the story attached. It came with this note from a World War II veteran called Leo Zemsky, and it mentions that he received these notes in a trade in April 1945 at the Elbe River in Germany. Now, the Elbe River was the point in which the Soviets advancing from the east and the Americans advancing from the west first met, marking an important step towards the end of World War II. So these notes were exchanged between 2 soldiers from completely different countries speaking 2 completely different languages at a very, very historic moment in World War II. And both of those guys had the shared goal of, destroying the Third Reich. So an incredible story, and we're really, really thankful to have these in the Erzu collection.